something new, trying to wear this is the first time I've ever wore twist outs like this. But anyway, that's not the point of the video. Let's just get right into it. Hi guys. I am so excited for this video because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys something that has been on my wish list forever. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what this is, and obviously from the title of this video, you already know what it is. Guys, this here, let me just go back so you can see it. Look at how gorgeous this Louis Vuitton Christmas bag is. Love. Keeping this forever. So in here, this bag, I am so excited. You don't even know. Like, I can't even explain how I feel because I've literally wanted this item for over 2 years now, but never really even thought about getting it. But I just really genuinely wanted it like a lot. And when I told my husband about it, well, after we got married, I told my husband about it, and he was like, you know what, if you really want it, if you really like, see if you'll want it like 6 months from now. So this was like the beginning of like probably, yeah, like last year, the beginning of last year. And he was like, I know you really like it. See if this is something that you will like 6 months from now. And so I did. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put it on my wish list, and definitely still wanted to get it. So I feel like I'm talking so much. So look at how cute. This is my very first Louis Vuitton item, actually. So I went to the store. The sales associate was so nice. Ordered it out for me because it was not in stock in the at the store, so she had to order it for me. So it comes in this box, beautiful box, and it's like a magnetic, oh God. So it comes in its little dust bag, beautiful. And then obviously it has like the ribbon and this little note. Like it comes with like a little note where my husband was like, oh, I love you, whatever. Like if you ever wanted to gift it to somebody, they can just like write it here, and then, you know, but that's all it comes with. And then obviously like in the bag, I have the receipts. It comes in this little cute little thing here, receipts, and then like my essays, contact. And then this is for the stamp, like the hot stamp. So I am going to go ahead and get this, but I didn't want to do it today because they said it would take 24 hours. I had to leave like the little thing with them, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm actually gonna go back and drop off the little key tag and have them hot stamp it for me. It's really cool. It has all the different colors that you can choose from. It's really nice. But yeah. Okay, so let's get into the bag. Look at how beautiful that box is. Anyway, so here's the bag, guys. And you will already know what kind of bag this is once you see it. It's the beautiful Alma BB in the Damien Ebene canvas. Guys, this bag, I can't. First of all, it's such a cute bag. It's tiny. It's like teeny tiny. I wanted to make sure like she took off. Yeah, she like took off all the little like the little paper things that are on there, like the little stickies, like the seals. She went ahead and took that off for me. So she already, my essay, put the little lock for me. But guys, this bag, it even smells good. Like it's, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I literally saw this bag and my reaction when I opened it, because the crazy thing about it is when I went in store, every time I've gone to the store to go look at this bag, it was not there. So I didn't even really get to see what it looked like in person. I only, like, they only had the other leathers, like the epi leather, and they had other leathers that they would have in store. So the last time I was there to see if I actually liked it, I wanted to see it in person, and they had it in the epi leather, and I think it was in the pink. And the SA had me go ahead and try it on, and it was beautiful, but still didn't really get the full effect because it wasn't in this canvas. But I just love this. Look, it's tiny. Like when I opened it up, I was like, wow, it's a really small bag, but it's so cute. So it comes with obviously the little key pouch, and the keys are in there if you ever wanted to use the lock. Gosh, it's so cute. One thing that I love about this, first of all, if you, obviously with Louis Vuitton, they're made in 3 different places. It can either be made in France, Spain, or America, USA. So I was actually really sad because I was like, dang, I really don't want to get this bag and it be made in USA. I really wanted it to be made in France. I really just wanted it to be assembled there. I understand, like, it's the same parts, they're just assembled in different areas. However, I just felt like, especially it being my first item, I wanted it to be special, and I wanted it to be from France, to have been made in France. And I don't know, let me go ahead and see if it's right here. Here it is. I don't know if you can see that, but it is made in France. Let me see if it's gonna go ahead and, I don't know if you can see that. Yep, made in France. So I'm so happy. Like, this bag is everything that I wanted it to be. I really love the new look of it, where they're treated, because all of this, obviously this is the canvas, the damier ebene canvas, and then right here it's like treated leather, so it's very durable. Heard really great reviews of it, and again, why I wanted to get this bag. So the handles, right here at the bottom, it's all treated leather, but what I love about it, it has this matte look. So I actually love that, because before, if you've seen these bags before, they actually had the treated leather was shiny, like really, really glossy. And I really didn't like that, because I felt like it gave it like a plasticky look, whereas this matte looks beautiful. Guys, just look at how beautiful this bag is. Wow. So just to open it, it's very stiff. And that's something that I heard from a lot of people. I can barely even open it. It's very stiff. So inside you get a strap. This strap where you can wear it over your shoulder or crossbody. So I'm just gonna attach this quickly here. Strap is not adjustable, and I think that's what a lot of people were saying was a con. It doesn't really bother me, because I do have another bag that's kind of like this. Obviously it's not a Louis Vuitton, it's just like a regular Target bag, but this doesn't really bother me that much. Oh, and this is where I'm gonna be getting my little stamps. So it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't know if you can see that. It's so cute. I've seen people who have like hot stamped right here, like their initials. So then on the inside, it comes with like this little pouch. Obviously the little coated fabric. Text tells you like what the bag is. Just some more like receipts, and then this here was where the lock and the keys came in. Like the lock, I think the lock came in here. Guys, this bag It's so cute. Like, even the strap, I love how the strap falls actually, because with the fact that it's kind of like round, I actually like that, because if I wear it, if I just hold it here by the handles, I most likely will just hold it like this. But I love the fact that the strap is not like hanging super low. Obviously, I know it's because right now it's a little bit stiff, but I actually like that. I think it's really cute. Gosh, I'm in love with this bag, guys, as you can tell. It has 4 little, gosh, I don't even know what to call them, but it does have these little legs, I guess you could call them, to protect the bottom of it. But I actually got the little bag hook where, you know, you can put it in your bag and then just hook it on a table. So I'm really excited for that. But guys, I literally love this bag. I have some charms that are coming in the mail. Gosh, I am so happy with this bag. If you're thinking about maybe starting your Louis Vuitton collection, because obviously my first item, but I'm definitely have began my Louis Vuitton collection. I have a favorite coming in a couple of days, so I'm really excited about that. But anyway, love this bag. Love the beautiful red interior, guys. It's just gorgeous. It's very stiff. I can barely open it. Like, it's very stiff. I don't want to be too rough with it, but it's very stiff. I can barely open it. However, this bag is beautiful. So beautiful. I cannot say how pleased I am to have this. So if you're thinking about getting it, I would definitely recommend. Obviously, this is just an unboxing. But guys, it's my first Louis Vuitton item, and this experience was amazing. When I went in the store, obviously they didn't have it, and it took about 3 days. 3 days, and they called me, got it. So they said it would take about 3 to 5 business days. It didn't take 3 to 5 business days. It literally took 3 days. Not even. I got a call, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. They informed me on Tuesday. On Tuesday, they informed me that the bag was ready for me to pick up, and I got it last Wednesday. I went in the store last Wednesday. My husband and I went in the store last Wednesday, like the last hour, like they were about to close, and then she ordered it out for me. So I'm so excited to use this bag, guys. So just be prepared, because there's gonna be so many photos. Because I'm like, for how much this bag is, I'm gonna wear the crap out of it. I'm like really tempted to baby it and like never bring it out. But from all the videos that I've watched, everybody has said that it's very, very easy to maintain and like durable. And like this canvas especially, it's so easy. Like if it gets wet or anything like that, the wear and tear on it is great. So I'm really excited to try it out. I'll definitely keep you guys updated and inform you, you know, how I feel, keep you updated after using it for a while. So I'm really excited. Isn't she a beauty? Oh, Miss Alma, girl, you cute or whatever. Okay, love her. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching my channel and watching this video. I'll be uploading another video once I get my favorite NMM. That's also a super sought out bag, but I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.